Good afternoon. This is part two of how to put a tire or fix a flat tire on your lawnmower. The first video I did, if you all recall, I tried to use the magic of fire to inflate this tire, this one right there, and it failed miserably. Didn't get a flame. The wind was blowing too hard and the gasoline evaporated. And so I had friends give me all sorts of different things like try lighter fluid and gasoline, pour a bunch of gasoline inside the tire, just all sorts of things that I just thought sounded kind of skeptical, but well, I tried anyway. So I did that beforehand just to kind of experiment a little bit. And I will say this, that video will never see the light of day. It is horrible. We did not get the tire inflated. We did get some tremendous balls of fire, but we also heard little whimpering like babies and screaming. And as one of my soldiers used to say when I was a platoon sergeant in the Army, he would say, well, Sergeant, that's why we wear brown underwear in the Army. And sometimes that's why we should wear brown underwear as civilians. So we're going to try something lame-o first that I also saw when I was in the Army a long time ago, except with like a real tire on a real Jeep. And if that works, I guess that's okay. But I was really hoping for noise and excitement and explosions of fire. And if this doesn't work, we may end up doing that anyway. So let's go ahead and see how this thing goes. Okay, let me get the camera set up here. Okay, as you can see, I got the lawn tractor lifted up a little bit. And here's what we're going to do. The bead is broken. That is the problem. That is why we're not getting any air inside there. In fact, let me show you. I'm going to use the old handy dandy compressor and try to inflate it. And it looks good, but it's not working. And the reason why, again, is because it's not, the bead is broken there. That's what they call it. Why they call it a bead, I don't know. That's the video for another day. Why are things called what they're called? Okay, so anyway, we know what the problem is. And here's just like a real simple way might be to just take the tire off and take it down to R&L Tire or Young Brothers Tire or whatever they are and just let them fix it. But that's not the way we do things around here. We only do things like that if it's like really expensive. So instead, we're going to fix this ourselves. And again, this is something I saw in the Army that worked on a real vehicle. And so we'll see if it works here. Basically, what I have here is just a ratchet tie down, a ratchet strap. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the two ends of the hooks like this here. And I'm going to hook them up. I'm going to bring it close over to here to this edge, not right on the edge, but fairly close. And then I am going to start ratcheting. And here's what we should see happening. We should see, you can see what I've done there. We should see this, the bead, as they call it. We should be able to see the tire get closer to the edge of the rim there and therefore be able to retain air when we put air into it. So let's see if it works. And again, I'm just doing this totally by guess, so I may not be doing this right. Okay, yeah, it looks like it's not done anything extra, but let's check it out. So I'll put in a little bit of air. Oh my gosh, it's working. It's working. I wasn't expecting that, to be honest with you. So let's take this off. Let's take this off. And again, I don't do things the easy way. I suppose there's an easier way to do this. What I'm doing, there we go. So now let's go ahead and inflate it again. And by golly, there you have it. It works. Wow. As Ron Weasley said, Hermione, always that tone of doubt. Well, I'll tell you the truth, I didn't think it would work. I thought it would mess up, but I could say at least I tried a legitimate way, and then we could try dynamite or something. So instead, I actually have an instructional video that actually has instruction. So mildly disappointed, but on the other hand, I guess I did fix my mower, so I guess I can go mow, which I like to do. So I guess it's a win-win. I promise you that this summer, as we work on the hydroponics, that we'll have opportunities to demonstrate unsafe practices and to once again get a chance to hear me scream like a little girl. In the meantime, you guys have fun Take care. Remember, God loves us all. It's a holiday every day. Take care. Bye.